Have you ever had a near-death experience? I did. My daughter and I were on our way home from one of her violin lessons. We were driving on the freeway going about 70 to 75 miles an hour when, boom, we were hit by the car behind us that was going about 80 miles an hour. Immediately on impact, I was knocked unconscious, and I found myself going through a wide tunnel with lots of soothing and pretty lights surrounding me. Directly in front of me was a very bright light. It was mesmerizing, and I felt drawn to it because there was just peace. But then I heard a voice, and it said,
"Go back."
I regained consciousness. I walked away with my life on that fateful day, but I suffered severe head and neck injuries. I believe that my plant-based vegan lifestyle, the green juices and smoothies, and highly nutritional food I'm eating have kept my injuries at bay and made my suffering somewhat tolerable. But I didn't want to live with this extreme pain for the rest of my life because it really lowered the quality of my life. Of course, I got x-rays of the injured areas and was prescribed physical therapy, which I did for years, but nothing ever eased my pain until I heard of sound therapy and experienced its power myself. Of course, as a pianist and musician, I knew about the healing power of music. But this sound therapy was very different, and I had to explore it. What really surprised me on my healing journey was discovering that the most effective sound therapy tool wasn't a crystal bowl, and it wasn't a tuning fork, and it wasn't anything outside of me, but it was inside of me. Can you guess what it was?